Hello and welcome to Backbedroom Art and welcome to two models. Now normally when I do models they're like Lego ones or Rockwool, the expensive stuff that's like 50-60 quid a pop. Well, I went to B&M. If you don't know what B&M is, then obviously you're not from the UK, but if you know what a B&M is, you know exactly what kind of store it is. And I bought these two models. So this one is £2, Grow a Garden, basically pocket cup. So we're going to be building some sort of plant, and then I've got a £3 gaming console. So I thought, you know what, on a budget, let's see what these cheap models are like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up this one first and build it. So I'll let you know at the end how that went. So you'll see like I don't know, you'll see me doing it really fast. Here we go. Let's build ourselves a crop. Okay, so I just completed it and it looks alright. It was very easy. I like the fact you can collect loads. I've just got that one. There's exactly the same one that's red. No idea what these red DLCs are, but you scratch the code off and yeah, you get something. And for anybody who's collecting these and is interested, you can have me code. He says, can I not scratch with my finger? Give me a second, I'll let you scan this yourself. So there's the code for the first person who enters it. I did do another one, and it's this weird fruity thing. I've no idea what it is. But there's another code. So anybody who wants that code, be my guest, enter it. No idea what it is, but I'm sure you're not going to win millions of pounds by entering the code. Rare DLC. Yeah, well, we'll let you find out for yourself if it actually is rare. But yeah, so £2 a pop. I don't know. Would you want to collect them? Would you want them displayed on your windowsill? Don't know, but £2, it's a bit of fun. Took me, I think, 2 minutes to build. But yeah, the main one I was interested in though was this one, a retro build, little gaming console. Shall we build it? It's got 113 pieces. Fits with leading brands. I wonder who they're alluding to there. Anyway, let's open up the box and have a look inside. Okay, so I'm just going to stop for a second and do a time lapse because I'm not going to show you me building that again. So just build one. In a second you'll see it where it's all finished. Here we go, let's do a time lapse. Right, so just the last couple of little bits to do. I've built the other one. So I missed that off from earlier and that just clips onto there. Then you get stickers. It's always nice to have stickers. And in case you're unsure what it is that you've built, you stick a label on it, which tells everyone that it is gaming console. What's your gaming console called? It's called a gaming console. And then it's A and B. And I only know where the stickers go from the box because it doesn't actually tell you to put them on. Ooh, it's B then A. BA Baracus. Now, if you've got the latest A team game, B. So for £3, it's not the worst thing in the world. I quite enjoyed it. You can tell what it's trying to be like. It's trying to be like a name that rhymes with Rego and begins with L. And I'm guessing if you did dismantle it, all the pieces can be used along with your Rego pieces. And even the bags reminded me of, oh, they're in the bin now, so I can't show you. Even the bags remind me of Rego. And there was the mandatory 2 pieces left over to make you go, oh, what did I miss? But yeah, there you go. It's a little game console. Oh, I need someone to take over. Player 2. Yeah, £3. £3. £2. So it's like model making on a budget, and you know, you could easily, I know, kids party, bung one of these in, and it's quite a nice big thing. I reckon a small child could do it. What's the age range on this? 6+. Yeah, so I don't know, an 8-year-old birthday party. And it had different ones as well. Does it show you what else is on there? Yeah, so you got your boom box, your television screen with no signal on it, and a desktop computer. Although, would an 8-year-old be interested in retro stuff? Don't know, but they'd enjoy building them. And if they got their dad to help them, which who would like building these? Yeah, I think it's worth it. Yeah, cheap, cheerful, and not nasty. They're all right. I mean, I think these are plants from alien planets. I'm not sure really what they are. Would help if they had the names of them. But yeah, all good stuff. I enjoyed that, and it would pass the time for about half hour. Yeah, didn't take me long at all. Didn't take me long at all. And are they going on my bestest shelf? Maybe not. Would a kid treasure them? Yeah, I reckon they would. Particularly if they were out collecting them all. But yeah, there you go. So hope you enjoyed that. If you did, leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you go down to B&M and buy these, let me know in the comments how you get on with them and whether you enjoyed them. Are you going to collect them all? Who knows? Right. Cheers, everyone. Love you all. Bye.